God I left work. Holy fuck. Oh shit! Yeah, I got it. I got the last leg of it though. I was pointing the other way.
That was fucking burly lightning, dude. I've never seen lightning like that before.
Oh man. It's about these trees in the way. I think we just missed one. Oh!
That's like right there.
We should be hearing them going, like, you know, like we're not hearing it though, you know? Like it's gotta be significantly far away if we can't hear it. Jesus.
It's coming.
Oh!
We're getting really close, dude.
Shit.
I'm still seeing, close my eyes, I still see them. It's right there, it's those two clouds, dude. See the line right there?
Yeah, yeah. Oh!
They're all coming out right there.
I'm gonna grab my HD.
Yeah.